Imagine this: a star so massive, so powerful, that its final moments create an explosion brighter than an entire galaxy. This is no ordinary cosmic event. It's the TCB Supernova, and it's blowing the minds of scientists everywhere. But what makes this supernova so special? Stick around, because in the next 5 minutes, we'll uncover why this explosion could change everything we know about the universe. Let's dive in. First, let's break it down. What exactly is a supernova? Picture a massive star at the end of its life. It's burning through its fuel, building up intense pressure until, boom, the star collapses and explodes in a dazzling light show that can outshine entire galaxies. But a supernova isn't just a spectacle. It's also a cosmic forge, creating elements like iron, gold, and even oxygen. In fact, the atoms in your body, they were made in ancient supernovas. That's right, you're literally made of stardust. Now, what makes the TCB supernova so mind-blowing? Unlike anything we've seen before, this explosion is one of the brightest and most energetic supernovas ever recorded. Scientists estimate it released 10 billion times the energy of our sun. Let that sink in for a second. 10 billion. And here's the kicker. This isn't just a random explosion. The TCB supernova is revealing clues about dark matter, black holes, and the origins of our universe. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of cosmic secrets. Here's a fun fact to blow your mind even more. Without supernovas, there wouldn't be life as we know it. Elements like carbon and oxygen, the stuff we're made of, were cooked up in these massive explosions and scattered across the universe. Every single breath you take is thanks to a star that exploded billions of years ago. Think about that next time you look up at the stars. So how did scientists even find this cosmic monster? Well, telescopes around the world picked up its light that traveled millions of years to reach us. Imagine, the explosion happened long before humans even existed, but we're just seeing it now. By analyzing the light spectrum, cosmologists discovered that the TCB supernova produced elements and radiation unlike anything we've studied before. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding how galaxies evolve and how new stars are born. Why should we care about a supernova that's millions of light years away? Here's why. Events like the TCB supernova are like a window into the past. They help us understand where we came from and where the universe might be headed. Every discovery, every observation, brings us closer to answering some of life's biggest questions. How did the universe begin? What is it made of? And are we alone in all of this? So, the next time you see a twinkling star in the night sky, remember, it could be a glimpse of the universe's next big explosion, shaping the future of galaxies, and maybe even us. Thanks for watching, Space Explorers. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure into the stars. Let's keep exploring the universe together. Until next time, this is your guide to the cosmos, signing off.